Say goodbye, bro.
Can you pull that thing up 30%? Where do you want it?
Sit down. Sit over here. Come on, sit down. Sit down on there.
You can watch Uncle Sam now.
Now you can watch Uncle Sam. Alright? Funny. And Emma. So long, old friend.
That's dance moves.
They won't recognise you when you go to ANT.
I know, I'm drilling now.
Clean shaven.
Amy, you gotta play with it.
I'm going to. What? Who do you take me for?
This is Amy.
Hairdresser, a professional.
It's what I do best, basically.
Just off.
Oh dear.
Huh?
Just off.
Yeah, otherwise you'll cut them.
Yeah.
Cut them. Cut them. Wait, what?
That's the two of you. So these two are next, okay?
Just a nice top patch. With
Sure.
Nothing else. Yeah, give them a nice circle ball patch at the top with nothing else.
You're a dick, man.
Be the heavy bottom.
I feel so unnatural right now.
Just watch it. Have fun. Like that. Make it so it's all the way, so just got old man here.
No, stop.
Jaden.
Hey, you want to come help?
You want to show some of Uncle Sam's here?
Come on.
Come on, give me a picture.
What are you doing?
Hey there, come here. Hey.
Michael, mate. Suits you, boy.
It's because I'm beautiful.
I didn't say that.
That's what I heard.
Oh, okay. So what cuts that, Amy? Is that number one?
Amy, you need to learn to be able to write backwards so I can read the signs in the mirror.
Oh my god, you're not the first person that said that. And I'm like, I know, I need to put some up there so that you can read them, eh?
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, Michael, you look beautiful.
That's what you're going to look like when you're about 50, mate.
If I look back like that when I'm 50, I'm stoked.
Come on, do you want to come help me?
Let me show you some more, Jaden. It's okay. That thing hasn't been used in years, eh? I'm surprised it turned on today. Wow, I'm a happy noise here.
Tail! Who's got a tail? Oh, yeah, look at Michael.
Nice rest house there. I got the fright.
I want to spin that cat.
I hate you.
What a fresh bone you have.
Matt wants his Snapchat story.
I did do it as my story.
Oh, sorry, there was, I forgot that there was one there. I thought it was up.
Shut it off.
See ya.
Good job.
Sorry, what was that?
Oh,
Sorry. You alright, Jaden? Good boy.
How do you go snap story?
Yeah.
That one?
No, the
That
plus.
one?
Yeah.
Michael still looks like Gargamel.
Give me a little Gornalomu.
Looks like the guy from the family.
Sam, if you want to join Alomu, she's going to put the leather in your eyebrow.
This guy.
Where are your Smurfs? Gargamel.
I will eat the Smiths.
Beautiful, yeah.
He's got that.
He's got a nice syringe too.
Am I doing this?
Like a rat's tail.
Bye bye, beard.
Just keep laughing, Matt.
Come on, Sam. Just a smile.
This is hilarious.
Oh, the video. I didn't know that. I don't know.
And what are you
So
doing?
that looks good, actually, Sam.
We're watching while we're here.
You're a dick, man. Get the camera out of my face.
Come on.
This is just...
Not bad.
So, Sam, consider it.
That's it.
What will it look like?
I want to see him with a Hitler.
I'm
With a little
going to.
Hitler.
I want to see him with Hulk Hogan first.
Sorry.
Oh, we can just leave it like that.
Ah, there you go, Sam. You can twist it now.
Cheers.
Let's come over. Looking slick.
Hey? Okay, who's going to ask Sam out for a date tonight? Come on, which one? Come on.
I'll take it.
Sure, Jess.
Just like that. If it's friends in the rat tail, I'll definitely do it. You take it off, no chance.
This way.
Oh, dear.
Now you've got mascara on them. I need to make that moustache black.
Actually, that's not too bad, actually, Sam. Actually looks pretty cool. Hey?
You're joking yourself.
Hey? Yeah, I
You're
reckon.
kidding yourself.
Wait.
Still a lot of hair.
We've got to get rid of that.
Wow.
We've got to get rid of the head stuff. Come on.
Don't do that bit on the back. That's fine to love it.
There it goes. The last little bit, Sam. The last little bit.
Are we doing eyebrows?
Hey, stop yourself.
Oh, sorry.
You can take Sam's off.
Just go, like, go like that.
There's Michael going over there. You down to a number one yet, mate?
Oh mate, I'm beautiful. Hi. See this nice clean mirror, Matt? Look, right here. One fingerprint. It's dirty.
Stay the same.
It's not even mine.
What's that?
Sam was doing blonde.
Oh,
Sam.
They'll stay the same now. No. That's why I left it to last.
It's what it's going to come out. I'm not going to take a photo like I did on the bus with everybody else.
You can slice it.
The hell is
Look at the
that?
camera now, Sam. Give us a smile.
Oh.
No, I'm not. Thank you.
Michael, you actually surprisingly said okay.
No, you need a finger.
Oh, really?
Boo.
There you go. You need a bourbon now, mate.
Someone got a step.
Is it such a... You're not as wide as what I thought you would. Normally they're a lot wider.
Nice suit, Michael. Surprisingly.
Oh, there's one.
I see everything.
Come on, Mike,
beautiful.
give us a smile, mate. Give us a smile.
Just give you another shampoo. Just a
Come
quick
on, Sam.
shampoo.
You gotta give us a smile now, mate.
You look very unimpressed.
That's all good.
And you want to just give him a quick sleuth? Just
How can you wash
yeah,
that?
okay. Just give him a quick sleuth. Just
How
to
can you
like,
wash
okay,
that?
shake it down.
Hey, Ness?
Huh?
I know, you should do that.
He's shaking it down.
Yeah. Like a
Hey,
razor.
Sam, yeah, we got
When?
razors.
The razor.
No.
Today.
Oh.
Your hair's gonna be fun to shake. Not having on my legs though. That's gonna be horrible. Yeah, that's gonna be Excuse me.
It's all gone. There you go. Actually, don't look too bad, mate.
No, the head goes on.
Don't look too bad at all.
You've shaved your nipple for him, yeah? Yeah, Sam wants to now.
Like you suited the long hand and you suited like the short side.
You have got